In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an indent in Smartsheet. If you've ever found yourself working in Smartsheet and noticed that some of your rows are indented and you're unsure how to adjust this, don't worry, you're not alone. Indenting in Smartsheet is a handy feature for organizing your data, but sometimes you might need to outdent a row to return it to its normal position. Today, we'll break this process down for you in a few straightforward steps. First, let's identify the particular row you want to adjust. This will typically be an indented row that you wish to bring back to its original alignment. To start, navigate to the left side of your screen where you see the row numbers. Click directly on the row number of the indented row you aim to outdent. This action will highlight the entire row, indicating that it's been selected and is ready for modification. Now that you have your row selected, we'll proceed to outdent it. There are several ways to achieve this, and I'll guide you through the options so you can choose whichever feels most comfortable for you. Let's talk about using the toolbar first. At the top of your Smartsheet, you'll notice a toolbar packed with various options and functions. Among these, there's an icon that looks like a left-pointing arrow. This is the Outdent button. Go ahead and click on this icon with your mouse. By doing this, your selected row should immediately shift to the left, removing the indentation and aligning it properly within your sheet. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Smartsheet provides a quick and efficient way to outdent without the need for a mouse. If you are operating on a Windows computer, simply press the combination of Ctrl and the left bracket key, which looks like this. This keyboard shortcut helps you quickly outdent the row you've selected. If you are using a Mac, don't worry, the process is just as simple. On a Mac system, the shortcut involves pressing Command and the left bracket key at the same time. Again, this action will swiftly outdent the selected row in your Smartsheet, streamlining your workflow. These options allow flexibility whether you're more inclined to use on-screen buttons or prefer keyboard shortcuts. It's about finding what works best for your workflow. Now that you know how to adjust the indentation, you can organize your data precisely the way you want, ensuring that your Smartsheet maintains both functionality and clarity. Remember, getting comfortable with both methods can make your editing process faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to handle indents in Smartsheet with confidence.